Hello students. So our new chapter, that is chapter number 8, Introduction to Flash CS3. Okay. So I have started this chapter already and I have explained you what is Flash CS3, what is the use of this, how can we start the Flash CS3. This is the window of the Flash CS3. Okay. Flash CS3 window, the first screen of the Flash CS3. This is called stage. Okay, where you can draw in all the any item you have to draw here. This is the property panel, property inspector panel, where all the properties where all the properties of the objects will be shown here. Okay, so this is the tools panel. This is the tools panel where you'll get all the tools. So here tools panel is explained properly. What are tools panels? What are the four different areas of tools panel? What is magnifier tool? What is property inspector? Okay, how can you display the property inspector? So this is the property inspector panel. Then this is grid. What is called grid? I explained you properly. Then what is rulers? How can you? What is the default unit of ruler? That is pixel. How to create a new flash document. After that, this how to save a flash file. The extension of the flash file is .fla. Opening a flash file. Then drawing modes in flash. There are two types of drawing modes, that is merge drawing mode and object drawing mode. I explained to you properly, and the default drawing mode is merge drawing mode. So with the diagram I have said how it is working and what is object drawing mode. Understood? So I think all the topics are clear. Now I'll show you the selection tool. Okay, what is called selection tool? Selection tool is like an arrow. Okay, selection and the lasso tool can be used to select single or multiple objects. So name is showing that by the selection tool you can select any object, one object, that means single object, or you can select multiple objects, more than one objects. So that is the use of selection tool. So in selection tool there are two types of tool, arrow tool and lasso tool. So first is arrow tool. So arrow tool means that by the name you can see this is arrow. Okay, the symbol is arrow. The arrow tool, also called a selection tool, is used to select single or multiple objects on the stage. Okay, on the stage means that stage, the white screen where you draw anything. Click the arrow tool in the tools panel and then follow the instruction given in the table 8.1. So this table 8.1 is given. So you can follow the instruction to how to select the different objects by this arrow tool. So in tools panel it is given. Where is the this arrow tool? So here you can see this is the arrow tool. Okay, in the tools panel. So when you click it, it will come on the stage and how to select anything. So to select stroke, stroke means what? Outline. And fill means the inside area. Then text block. To select all this thing, you have what to do? You have to click the object. Okay, only click the object. Then connecting lines. To select any connecting lines, double click on the lines. To a fill shape and its outline. To select this one, you have to double click the fill. To select objects within a rectangular area, so what to do? You have to drag a rectangle around the object and that you want to select. Understood? So in this way, arrow tool can be used. Now lasso tool. So lasso tool, you can see this is the symbol of lasso tool. Where you can see that lasso tool in the tools panel. So here you can see the lasso tool. So this is the lasso tool. Okay, like it's like a rope, rounded rope. Lasso tool. So lasso tool is used to select irregular shapes. So you can see this is irregular, like this rope. So it is used to select irregular shapes like this. Okay, like this you can select in a drawing. It is used for freehand selection. So freehand, that means you can select any type of figure in which you move the mouse like you would move a pencil. So like a pencil you can move the mouse in any direction in any figure. So follow these steps to use lasso tool. So first step is what? Select the lasso tool in the tools panel. Drag the cursor on the stage to specify the boundary of the selection. Okay, suppose this is the figure of mango. So to how to select this mango? So click on this stage and move the cursor around this like this. Okay, how can you select? So end the selection approximately near the point where you started. So where you started, end it also here. Understood? In this way you can select it, any figure in lasso tool. Then to create a straight edge selection area using a lasso tool. So how can you create a straight edge selection? So here you can see, select the lasso tool, click the polygon mode. So when you select the lasso tool here, now click the polygon mode. So this is the polygon mode here, modifier in the option area of the tools panel. So this is the option area of the tools panel. Click on the stage to start the starting point. So click on the stage, this is the stage. Okay, click on the stage and set the starting point from where you are starting. Click the point where you want the first line to end. Okay, click the point where you want to end the first line. Continue setting endpoints for other line segments. So this 8.11, this figure. Double click to close the selection area. Okay, so this is the last step. So in the next chapter, we will learn more about the drawing tools provided in Flash ES3. So in the next chapter, more details about the drawing tools is given, how to draw with using the tools. So for now, understand only this, how to select with the lasso tool. Understood? So in this way, our selection tool topic is complete. So and our this chapter introduction to Flash CS3 is also complete. So study properly all line by line all the topics, all the tools, all the object drawing mode or merge drawing mode, everything study properly. Okay, if you have doubt then ask me. Thank you.